Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to save any kind of website or web page very easily as a PDF format. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I open here website in Google Chrome browser. No matter which types of website you are opening, you just simply open here one of the website. As a demonstration point of view, I open here my personal website page, and you just simply go here, and afterward you need to command P if you use Mac. So look at this here. If you are not connected printer, so destination by default is going as a PDF format. So if you see here preview, so all my website store in PDF format. Afterward you can use this data for your day-to-day different types of works. Just simply save. Website domain ID is automatically coming there. So look at this. This is my PDF. This is my website store as a PDF format, and I can use this data if you are machine learning or NLP related developer. So you can use this data. This data is very helpful for you as a research point of view. Otherwise you have any other goal or agenda, so you can use this data. So this is a simple way to save any website page or any website in PDF format. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.